The sounds of pop, influential artists shaping English culture. Hello, English learners and music enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of pop music and its heavyweights. As we explore, remember, music isn't just about rhythm and lyrics. It's a reflection of society. Influential pop artists have left their mark not just on the charts, but on English-speaking cultures too. Let's get started. Pop music, or popular music, is characterized by its catchy melodies and wide appeal. It often borrows elements from various other genres, making it a melting pot of musical styles. What makes pop artists influential is their ability to resonate with millions, creating anthems for generations. Emerging from Liverpool, the Beatles weren't just a band, they were a phenomenon. John, Paul, George, and Ringo transformed the music scene with hits like Hey Jude and Let It Be. Their music talked about love, freedom, and individuality, resonating with youths worldwide. Madonna revolutionized pop music in the 80s and 90s. Known for her ever-changing image and boundary-pushing lyrics, she challenged societal norms while delivering hits like a Virgin and Vogue. Her influence extends beyond music, as she became a symbol of empowerment for many. Michael Jackson was not just an artist. He was an era. With his unmatched dance moves and iconic voice, he produced hits like Thriller and Billie Jean. Jackson's music transcended borders, making him a global icon. His legacy is a testament to the power of pop to unite cultures. While pop has a rich history, it continues to evolve. Modern icons like Taylor Swift and Beyoncé have continued the tradition of using their music to reflect societal sentiments. With anthems about love, self-worth, and empowerment, they stand as pillars of contemporary pop culture. As we've seen, influential pop artists are not just hitmakers, they're cultural ambassadors. They reflect, challenge, and shape societal views, making them vital to English-speaking cultures. We hope you enjoyed this melodious journey through the world of pop. Keep listening, keep learning, and remember, music is a universal language, connecting us all.